How to connect a BT version scale to a Welch Allyn device. First, ensure the scale is ready to connect. On a physician's scale, such as the 500 KL, the wireless symbol will be flashing in the upper right corner of the display. On acute care scales, such as the 1100 KL, a small rectangle is displayed along the top middle of the display. Next, obtain the USB wireless dongle and the USB extender cable from the carton. Connect the USB dongle to the USB extender cable. Connect the end of the cable to the USB port on the Welch Allyn device. On Connect Spot monitors or integrated wall systems, the USB port is located on the bottom of the monitor. On Connect Vital Signs monitors, the USB port is located on the back of the device. Power on the Welch Allyn monitor to initialize the connection to the scale. When a connection has been established on the physician's scale, the wireless symbol will stop flashing and remain stable. On acute care scales, an antenna will appear in the upper right corner of the display. When a patient's weight is taken, the data is sent to the monitor when the weight locks on the scale. Height and BMI data is sent when the BMI process is performed on the scale. If scale data is not appearing on the monitor, first check that the serial number on the USB wireless dongle matches the BT device number on the back of the scale's display head. On physician scales, enter the options menu to ensure that the BT setting has been set to E, which is enabled. On acute care scales, ensure the wireless setting is set to enable. If trying to connect to a Welch Allyn Connect's Vital Signs monitor, ensure the weight scale license has been activated. For additional assistance, contact Health Immunoprofessional Customer Service at 1-800-815-6615 or chat live at homescales.com.